He survived 3 nuclear explosions. In 1945, Tsutomu Yamaguchi was in Hiroshima on business. August 6th, the first atomic bomb detonated, blinded by the flash, thrown by the blast. He survived. Days later, he returned home. Home was Nagasaki. August 9th, another flash, another explosion. He survived again. Decades later, he was also present during a nuclear industrial exposure incident. 3 separate nuclear events. 1 lifetime. He lived into his 90s. His story isn't about luck. It's about human resilience in the face of unimaginable destruction. Follow for more real stories that sound unbelievable.